the dim golden light of ancient workshops, hands shape wet clay upon a spinning wheel, fingers tracing ridges, dust swirling through sunbeams. This first wheel, born in Mesopotamia, is not for travel, but for art, yet it plants a seed destined to roll across continents and centuries. Artisans split logs, carve tight-fitting circles, and smooth the grain, feeling the future in each rotation. With the invention of the axle, wooden wheels rise from the earth carrying heavy carts across vast plains, led by slow-breathing oxen. Spokes emerge, lashed with rawhide, making every turn lighter, every journey longer. The wheel finds new forms. Bronze strengthens rims, iron kindles the fire of chariots. On Sumerian streets, Egyptian sands, and the trade roads of the Indus Valley, wheels bear goods, stone, and stories. In China, the wheelbarrow shifts the weight of labor, reshaping harvest and construction. Across the Silk Road, caravans traverse deserts and mountains, every wheel spinning in concert with innovation, binding distant cities through movement and exchange. The ancient circle inspires gears, pulleys, and engines, the pulse of the Industrial Revolution. Wheels power machines, railways, and the dream of speed. They turn in bicycles, automobiles, and rockets launched into space. The wheel collapsed distances and accelerated the movement of goods, people, and ideas. Its legacy endures turbines, data streams, and the silent spin of progress. Against the fire of sunset, one massive wheel stands silhouetted, a timeless monument to human ingenuity.